Welcome back guys. Today I'm going to share one of the best news about crypto market. What will be the future of BTC? It is my recommendation, my news which I'm going to share with all of you that what is happening in the market at this time. What you have to do, what traders have to do, I'm going to share each and every aspect. Before moving on, kindly subscribe our channel Expert Studio and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. Right now you can see each and everything in the cryptocurrency market, coin market cap, and you can see the dominance of BTC increase up to 65%. That is a great indication for all of us that the bearish market will right now, you can say it is closely to end and the bullish market will start up very soon. And here you can also see the price of BTC at this time. At the making of this video, it is right now 6,269. Ethereum price is $130, and you can see every token is going uptrend. Why this is all happening? First of all, the basic news is about the virus, which basically you can say harming the whole world. Everything is going to close, a small lockdowns in every town, in every city, and even the country is basically locked down. But what's happening behind the whole aspect regarding the cryptocurrency market, coin market cap? You can see all the results by yourself that every coin, every altcoin, every coin is basically moving uptrend. What is the basic reason behind that? First of all, from the Italy, you can say right now they are going to have a very huge news at this time. Italian bank opens Bitcoin trading to 1.2 million during the lockdown. Nowadays, Italy basically surfing at this time, you can say they are basically surfing from, you can say the whole lockdown over there. With that one suffer, they are basically their banks, Italian banks, open a new thing for all the Italians that they can basically buy BTC, they can trade in BTC for the funds and everything. You can read the whole news over here. I will share that one article link with you here. You can see one of the best things, the cryptocurrency and Bitcoin market in particular country, in particular continues to arouse interest, especially among the public that constitutes our customer base. By definition, young and smart, and who increasingly expect to be able to access this world through the tool that they use to manage money on a daily basis. It means that they are going to buy number of BTC and they are going to start number of huge trades in BTC coin market cap. So definitely price will go up. Second news, I will show you one thing more news. Italian, the Red Cross coronavirus Bitcoin fundraiser smashes goal, issues new initiative. Right now in Italy, number of people basically start using BTC because they don't want to use fiat currency, they don't want to touch the notes at this time. So for that one reason, they are not going to use the paper currency. For that very reason, they are going to buy BTC and other altcoins. For that very reason, definitely the price will go up. So right now we also see this one thing in the whole market, that at this time the price is going up due to lockdown and everything. People have to purchase each and everything, and they are buying everything with the help of BTC and other altcoins. So that's very reason are that at this time BTC is going up. Second news which I am going to share with you about the South Korea. South Korea passes one of the world's first comprehensive cryptocurrency laws. It means that at this time South Korea, you can say, make a whole vision, whole you can say law regarding cryptocurrency. How you can utilize it, how you can manage it, how you can hold it. They basically announced that one thing in their laws. So anyone who want to buy BTC in South Korea, or anyone having BTC at this time in South Korea, because we all know South Korea is such a great market of cryptocurrency. For that very reason, basically at this time when they basically passed a new law over there, so definitely number of people are going to buy the BTC, and also they are going to hold it, because you can firm this one. I'm not saying the legal one, but they passed a small resolution regarding cryptocurrency and also about the BTC. With the help of that, number of people are going to buy the BTC. So definitely when number of people are going to buy the BTC from fiat currency, so definitely the price will go high. As we all know, with the charts, with the help of the charts of 2017, we all know one thing: at that time fiat currency, paper currency enter in the market of crypto world. Then we basically saw the number of increase in some months. So same thing is going to happen again, because because a very simple reason is over there, that right now Italy, what I am saying, what I am telling you, Italy is not going to use fiat currency anymore. They are going to use BTC in their daily, you can say, each and every buying, selling, they are going to use BTC. Secondly, you can say South Korea passed a new rule, a new regulation for the cryptocurrency and for the BTC. That helps BTC definitely to move uptrend. Right now, the last news which I am going to share with all of you: crypto trading volume plummets over 60% on South Korean exchanges. It means that definitely people are going to buy and everything. Two top South Korean crypto exchanges, Bithumb and Upbit, recorded sales drop by 70% and 63% respectively since 2018. First reported by CoinDesk Korea. Here you can read each and everything, but now they are going to buy number of BTC with because the reason is there that right now when any country is going to announce, any country is going to pass a law regarding cryptocurrency or BTC, then definitely you can see the increase in price, as we all are basically watching that one. So what you have to do, what traders have to do, the basic question is this. So right now what you have to do, you only have to put your all assets which basically you already converted into USDT. You have to convert that very assets to all, you can say, BTC, Ethereum. You must have to convert it to them, because the thing is this: definitely the price is going to increase. There are two simple factors. Right now, as we all know, the whole world locked down due to virus. What people are going to do? Number of people are going to buy BTC because it is, you can say, a trading very easily. You can do this work online. So definitely people are going to use this factor of work either by going out. So definitely the price of BTC will increase at this time. So you must have to come over here and you have to see the market. It is my own, you can say, my own recommendations to you, that you must have to come in BTC and Ethereum at this time, because we all are seeing this thing, that definitely after these news, because as we all know, cryptocurrency whole market, basically you can say it enhances up on news. So right now we have some good news regarding cryptocurrency market. So you must have to take your all assets in BTC and Ethereum. So definitely you are going to get something in your pocket. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. And thanks a lot for being with me, and kindly share this video. Thank you.